I successfully printed and handed out 106 gifts for hospice care facility patients today, and I couldn't have done it without designers. I wanted to thank the designers. I'll put a link in the description. These are my top Christmas 3D prints for this year. So if you received a 3D printer and you want to thank your mom or your dad or your friend or your grams and you think it's too late, there are lots of really cool prints. These were very high quality and print in a very short amount of time. Elf on the Shelf toilet paper, how cool is that? And for the finale, gift box. Also known as Don't Touch My Hair.